This is DOOGEE V Max, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up and use the nearby share feature on this device. So first step that I recommend taking is to turn on Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data. Then among the available control panel tiles or icons, find and touch and hold at the nearby share. Once at the nearby share page, you can activate it by toggling on this switch. Then you can rename the device if you want to. Then you can turn on or turn off the device visibility, as well as restrict its visibility to only your devices, only your contacts, or not restrict it at all and let anyone to share their files with you. Then you can manage your data preferences, and everything is set up and ready to be used. So let's test it out. So I'll have this Nokia phone on me, so I'll just share the screenshot and see how well it does. So as you can clearly see, the image was successfully sent and received, thus transferred. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.